Welcome back to this brand new section. Here we're going to take a look at one of the most popular frameworks for building websites, which is called Bootstrap. Bootstrap, currently at the latest version of version 4, is open source and free to use. It is a library for HTML, CSS and also JavaScript, which we've not yet looked at, but don't worry about that at the moment. You can find it at getbootstrap.com. Some of the components we'll use in Bootstrap, such as a carousel, require JavaScript to work, but we don't need to know any JavaScript at this stage to use them. Bootstrap allows us to quickly get started building projects, and also allows us to take advantage of lots of pre-built components, such as navigation bars, image carousels, and forms, to name a few. Getting started is also really easy. We can just add Bootstrap to our project, just like any other CSS file, and start writing our website as normal. We can then either use the pre-built components or write our own HTML as normal, and then take advantage of the Bootstrap CSS classes provided to us to give us some base styling to build on. If we go ahead and open up the documentation from the navbar, there is quite a lot to get through and we'll cover lots of this throughout this section. First of all, I'm going to head over to the components on the left hand side and click on this. And inside of here we can see all the different available components to us. For example, if we wanted a navbar, we would click on the navbar section and then we're given some more information about how to use it. We also then get lots of code examples and also a demonstration. So if we wanted to use this navbar in our project, we could copy this code below. And this is all the section here, which produces this navbar. There is usually some more different examples with some different layouts too. And you can see all these as we scroll down. There is also some forms. So click on the forms element on the left. And exactly the same as before, we're then taken through lots of different examples. This all takes advantage of standard HTML elements such as inputs, selects and text areas, but Bootstrap then provides some CSS for us to then use by adding the Bootstrap classes such as form group and form control, just like you can see here. We'll also take a closer look at some more of these components throughout this project, such as rotating carousels and also using modals. It's also worth noting too that all of these styles that Bootstrap provides is just a base starting point. We are free to go ahead and change any of these styles with some custom CSS. So if you're still not sure what Bootstrap is, all you need to understand for now is we can take advantage of Bootstrap's predefined CSS to not only make our HTML look a lot better, but also apply some best practices and keep our styling looking more consistent across different browsers. So now we have a little background into Bootstrap. Let's now move on to getting a Bootstrap project set up.